Forums Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the T-Mobile 5G hotspot for T-Mobile. So this is a new hotspot device for T-Mobile. It is available as of June 16th. So it's available now in black. Yeah, I guys have 1 GB of memory. I'm guessing that's 1 GB of RAM, I guess. It's free when you guys add a new line, or it's $198 for retail price for this 5G hotspot device here. So let's go ahead and check this out. So like I said, it's $198 for retail price. So there's the device right there. You guys have your screen there, and your screen will have all your information that you guys need to know about the hotspot devices, like your connected devices, battery, signal, and stuff like that. So pretty cool. On the one side of it, there's the one side of it don't have nothing on it. It's kind of a thick hotspot device, so it's kind of thick a little bit. So it's a kind of a beefy hotspot device because it has a big ass battery in it. So that's why. On the back of the hotspot device is nothing. This is like your bottom part of it. Obviously, this is how you would lay it down flat on the surface. So yeah. And then the right side has your charging port, and I'm guessing that's your power button next to that on the device, I guess. So yeah. Features on this hotspot device has its 5G broadband on the go. The main selling point of this hotspot device is it does have 5G on it, simultaneous connectivity, long-lasting battery, USB tethering, and charging. It says here, the T-Mobile 5G hotspot brings the speed of a 5G connection to all your devices for less. It supports a lightweight and portable design that's easy to throw in your bag, on the go, wherever, whenever. Not to mention, users can connect up to 32 devices for simultaneous connectivity. So you can connect up to 32 devices at one time, which is pretty fucking insane for a portable hotspot device like this. The T-Mobile 5G hotspot also features a 6460 milliamp battery for all-day usage, and it is a great option for seamless 5G connectivity that doesn't break the bank. So two main selling points of this hotspot: it does have 5G, and it has a big ass battery. It's 6460 milliamp battery for the battery, which is a fucking big ass battery. So y'all guys can get pretty good battery life on here. So you can connect up to 32 devices at one time, which is pretty fucking insane for a portable hotspot like this. So yeah. Specs on the hotspot device here. It has a 6460 milliamp battery, which is big in itself. Type-C charging, which is nice. Wi-Fi 8, Wi-Fi 6, AX 1500, Wi-Fi 802.11 ABGN, ACAX, dual Wi-Fi, LAN. So pretty good. There is a MediaTek MT6890 processor. You don't get expandable storage, obviously, because this is a hotspot device. You do get 4G on here and 5G as well. Frequencies there. The T-Mobile 5G hotspot weighs 7.580 ounces, so that's not bad. It's like not terrible, because it does have a big ass battery, and so it will weigh a little bit. Your dimensions on the T-Mobile 5G hotspot is 0.7 inches width. The depth is 0.7 inches. The height is 4.92 inches, and the width is 3.7 inches. Alright. What comes in that box is your T-Mobile 5G hotspot device, USB-C cable, AC adapter, terms and conditions. So yeah, if you guys are looking to get a T-Mobile 5G hotspot device on the go, on the cheap, the T-Mobile 5G hotspot is worth checking out here. It's available now for $198 for retail price, or it's free when you guys add a line. So that's pretty cool. You do get a big battery, and you get 5G, and you can connect up to 32 devices at one time, which is pretty fucking insane for a portable device like this. So yeah, that's a win. So if you guys are looking to get a portable hotspot device, the T-Mobile 5G hotspot, could be one for you to check out here. So it's available now for $198 for retail price. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.